Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use firewall controls to block apps in Glaswire. Glaswire is a network monitoring and security tool for the Windows that lets you see which apps are using your internet, and one of its most useful features is the built-in firewall control, which allows you to block apps from accessing to the internet instantly. First, what you can do is you need to open your Glaswire, go to the search at the bottom and type down Glaswire and open it and make sure it is fully loaded and monitoring your network. And at the top we can find this firewall here. What you can do is simply toggle on this section here, and it needs to upgrade in order to toggle it on. All the apps using your internet, their current network status, whether they are allowed or blocked, and it blocks the app. And over here on the top again, select to this click to block here and select to the and tap on the click to block, and you have successfully used Glaswire firewall control to block an app on your PC. Using the firewall controls in Glaswire is a quick and effective way to manage which application can access the internet on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.